Tech Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a mailbox in Hostinger. So to start with, log into your Hostinger account. Then I'm going to direct your attention over onto the left-hand side. So you should see a tab that says emails. I'm going to click on that. So your page is going to look slightly different to this because I already have 2 free business emails set up. So don't worry if you don't see anything here. So this is where you can create your new free business email with Hostinger. So all you're going to do is click on create a new mailbox, which should be in the top right hand corner. Add in the new email that you want to use and add in the new password. Follow any further instructions and your Hostinger email will be set up. Then you should see it like I do here. Once your email is showing, you can click on the right hand side on the mailboxes tab. And from there, this is where you can log into the new free Hostinger email account by clicking on webmail. From here, it'll prompt you to log in and you'll be taken to your Hostinger webmail account. So that's how you create a free email account with Hostinger. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.